Hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers. Today we're going to do something different. Remember, we learned about 40 characters yesterday. We knew about 40 characters. We're trying to increase the number of characters we know from yesterday. So I've added a few more flashcards here. But today we're going to do it a little bit different and look for some characters. So our first character is da, which means I know how to use it, but mainly let's try to find to see if we'll find the characters. Remember, if we don't know the flashcard, we just put it aside and try to keep on practicing it until we know it. This is Gia. I know this one. This is Bay. This is She. This is Ta. This is Ma. This is La. Song. Pa. Kan. Che. I don't know it. I'll put it aside. Shang. Shu. So Shu, I'll put it aside. It's related to book. I got it wrong. Men. Che. Chu. I don't know why I got it wrong. Liang. Tsai. Kan. Song. Pa. Sorry. Yuan. Bi. Xia. Bing. Sorry. Mei. Ma. Zi. Fei. Ming. Yue. Sorry, I got wrong. A cow. Ta. Xia. Wu. Si. San. I. Wo. Chi. Si. Ta. Ye. Oh, sorry, I got wrong. Ren. Ni. Shi. Tsai. These are the letters I should be knowing. Xie. Hui. Wen. Wu. Mu. Yo. Wei. Lao. Do. Zhong. Bu. Liu. Shu. Shan. Shui. Che. Ming. Ge. Pian. Hao. Jiu. xiao, liang, shi, oh, sorry, lai, da. Oh, this is the special characters that we said we were looking for. Da. So now we just want to stop here and realize before we got to da, how many characters did we learn all in all. And these are the ones that we're going to try to mix them and practice again. And our next special character, let's guess, is going to be she. So let me explain what there means. There is a word that you use like off or something. It's normally like saying wada, mine, you understand. The other thing I can use, I can explain a little bit with this character. You normally use it quite a lot of times. It's a common use character, basically a particle or modifier. Like he's saying, Oda shoe my book, Oda means my name. You understand? So it is just like a possession. It shows a possession. Like saying, Oda shoji my phone. Remember, I know a little bit of Chinese. I've been living in China for a while, but I want to improve my Chinese.